Mall of America just celebrated our 25th anniversary. Despite a lot of other updates throughout the property, last year we still had our original directory format. These printed directories required guests to walk around multiple sites to find what they were looking for. Even though we updated them quarterly, they were frequently out of date with our 520 stores, eateries, and attractions. We'd seen a lot of other properties deploy large touchscreens, but we didn't feel that was right for our guests. It was important for us that wayfinding was a personal experience and intuitive for every guest.
Mall of America's goal for this entire project was to enhance the guest experience, making it easier for them to find where they're going, helping shoppers find locations they didn't even know existed before. Mall of America wanted their guests to use these directories in many different ways, from searching by store name, category, and brand to help find where they're going or what they wanted to purchase. And once they found where they're going, seeing an animated map that shows the guest how to get from where they are to where they're going, and also offering ADA accessible routes. In addition, once a guest finds where they're going, there's the capability to send a text message with those directions to a cell phone. The kiosk content can be viewed in 9 different languages to make Mall of America's international visitors feel more at home.
Making the leap from static to digital wasn't enough. It required a commercial-grade solution, one that was simple, secure, and scalable. For this, AOPEN and Express Image selected the Chromebox Commercial. The Chromebox Commercial is a shock and vibration-resistant solid-state device with a wide operating temperature range, up to a maximum of 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Celsius. At 25 millimeters in height, it fits snugly and securely behind kiosk-sized displays. And the 3-year warranty is standard for AOPEN Chrome products, which means extended product lifecycle support. Working with Express Image on the Mall of America project has been a perfect example of a wayfinding solution that builds innovative navigational software on top of ruggedized, reliable hardware.
Our goal was always a personalized experience that allows guests to find what they are looking for in the fastest time possible. On average, our old directories had a usage time of 3 minutes. After we deployed the directories, we started seeing an average usage time around 30 to 40 seconds. Express Image understands that need for our guests and has helped develop an outstanding product to help our visitors during their stay. This is so important because we wanted to take the guessing game away from our guests' shopping and entertainment experience, which allows them more time to do the things that they want, rather than searching for answers.
Directories are built on a platform that offers security, reliability, ease of development, and content management.
Since Express Image approaches every project with a completely custom solution, we were able to deliver an interactive wayfinding experience that met Mall of America's needs and adhered to their style guide. This included a completely custom developed and designed mapping experience for the guest, along with custom hardware to combat high brightness in many areas throughout the mall.
AOPEN is a global, cross-platform provider of commercial-grade, enterprise-ready products. Commercial Chrome products allow customers to focus on what is most important, building immersive, effective experiences for end users.
The partnership between Express Image and AOPEN brings to Mall of America a unique, groundbreaking solution that transforms the guest experience.